Hey, beautiful Sag. Welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. I hope you are all doing well. We are going to do a love reading for you and your person. It can be a situationship also. Let's see how your energies come up. These are general love readings, so they may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please do watch the sun, moon, and rising videos of yours. Keep in mind, roles can be reversed and cross watchers are welcome. Do like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. It helps. Okay, we'll see how are the energies folding in for you. We have two cards. I could pull, they were sticking. Right. So Sagittarius, we have starfish spirit, open to infinite possibilities, of course. And what a beautiful start of the rest of November. Dragon spirit, truth transcends illusion. Whatever illusions, the truth will polish them off. Okay, so infinite possibilities are opening up for you in this winter season, Sagittarius, and let's see how these energies come up in the tarot for you. By far, the energies look very beautiful. I have already shuffled the cards well. I'll just start them. Okay, spirits, guides, and universe, please tell me about Sagittarius, their situation with their person. Okay, first card out, Knight of Pentacles. Very stable again, very stable, and movement is there, but Knight of Pentacles is a sure shot person. It's not like someone just talking or okay. The second card out is Ten of Pentacles. Of course, you are looking into this beautiful connection which is stable, and someone is ready to make it with you. Then we have the High Priestess, going inwards, following your intuition, or your person is following their intuition. Let's see. We have the Queen of Swords. Even the Scorpio got this. High Priestess and the Queen of Swords. We have two cards here, King of Cups and Five of Swords. Okay. Let's see. Some kind of conflicts, lot of tension, feeling defeated in the connection. Why? Why is Sagittarius feeling defeated? Lovers and Devil. Oh God. Okay. We'll pull out one more card and then we'll start. Yeah. Justice. So, why are you people feeling defeated? Lovers card and Justice. There is a choice to be made here, and I don't know, Sagittarius, you must be knowing what is the choice you have to make, or your person might have to make. But as I see here, it is you who's not able to make a decision. Queen of Swords and the Knight of Cups and we have Knight of Pentacles. Of course, this person has a lot of love for you. You're not very sure about them, whether it is like to go for it or not. You feel this is just a very devilish, you are getting drawn to them, but not very sure about it. And maybe you are two people here and you're not sure which one to go for. One is the Knight of Pentacles and other one is the Knight of Cups. And you are in here ready to cut someone off, but you don't know whom. The Knight of Pentacles here looks for the Ten of Cups, but the Knight of Cups is a devil energy, kind of, and you like them, but because see, you can see how the Queen of Swords is looking towards the Knight of Cups here, but below it is the Devil energy. But here it is, this person, Knight of Pentacles, this is like a very stable person, but you don't see the passion, but they are ready to have a family with you. They are very serious, and they intuitively know you are the right one for them. you are you have to make a choice between two lovers. I can very much feel that. And maybe your person is in this situation, but okay, as the elements go, we have Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer. Okay, we have Gemini, Libra, Aquarians. A lot of water energy here though. We have Earth, Libra, strong Libra, Justice, and then we have the Devil. We must be dealing with a Capricorn. It can be all Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn here. So basically all the signs are here on the table right now. So you may be dealing with any one of them. Very confusing reading. You are not fighting anything, but it is like in your head what to do, what not to do, in a fix, which one to drop, which one to go ahead with. But I guess the King of Cups, the water energy is attracting you too much, but in this reading I can see that's a Devil energy. Like, they are very good looking and charming and very like know what to do exactly, when to give you flowers, when to get you gifts and all. And see how this person is had made up a picnic spot over there besides the river or the sea here, and he's all charming with his hat and all the tattoos on his arms. So he's like wooing you properly, and you are like attracted to them more than the other person, Sagittarius, and you don't know which one to cut off. You're ready with your sword here, because you're clear. You want to make it clear. You don't want to keep them hanging. Queen of Swords is very like, I know what I want. I don't want to waste my time, for sure. This is a very strong energy, and this decision has to be made. Justice, yes, you will make a decision, and truth transcends illusion. Definitely, truth will come. Which one to select? Maybe you know, maybe you don't know, but it will come. You will get, and you have infinite possibilities opening with this person, the next one in your relationship, which one you choose. And High Priestess, you will know it. You will know your answers, and the answers are going to come to you. Okay, Sagittarius, we'll pull out some fortune telling cards. Okay, we have a flipper over here. Let's see, what does this flipper say? Skull. I will read them later. We'll pull out some more. One more. Okay. Oh, too many. Let's see. We have bread, period of prosperity and abundance, surely. And work, achievement and success. Beautiful. Then we had, the first card was skull. Hidden secrets can harm you, so be careful of the hidden secrets. Of course, the High Priestess energy, you have to be careful of this. Someone is deceptive in this connection. Someone is devilish. They are just like temporary basis, like they are right now, right here, right now kind of a person. And the other one is like a long term connection. They are looking to have a family with you. So this should not be a very big decision, I think, I hope. Young man, okay, younger man, maybe you are dealing with a younger man. They are younger to you, and this is a relationship with them. We have the Seahorse, family matters. You have to take care of your family matters. Then we have Tent, temporary situation. Of course, this is a temporary situation. You will come out of it. You will make the right decision, not unsuccessful plans. Some plans are not going to be successful this month, and whoever this resonates, please do leave a comment if this reading resonates with you, and do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Okay, Sagittarius, I hope this reading helped you. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, all the best and bye. Take care.